Here's an exciting and delicious way to spice up some mushrooms. I love mushrooms as a side dish, as a meat replacement, you name it. I am a huge mushroom fan. And I love to use portobello mushrooms for these delicious Asian grilled mushroom skewers. They are so easy to put together. They only require a few ingredients, minimal prep time, and they are amazing. They're great enough to serve as an appetizer at a party, at your family dinner, or to make for meal prep side dishes, you name it. They are the perfect dish. The full recipe is in the description, and before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me every week for new amazing recipes. All you gotta do is get some baby bella mushrooms. I like to cut them into thirds for nice thick slices, that way they skewer pretty nicely. You can make these little mini skewers or make larger ones if you want, but once you've skewered up all your mushrooms, I'm going to use some soy sauce, the low sodium kind, some minced garlic, a little bit of black pepper, some honey, and some balsamic vinegar. Just going to mix that together in a dish that is big enough to fit all the mushroom skewers in one flat layer. So I'm going to nestle those all in the dish, and you want to give these about 10 to 15 minutes total. So after the first 5 minutes of them sitting in the marinade, I'm going to give them a flip so both sides can marinate and the mushrooms will soak up all that flavor. Then I'm going to get them on my grill pan that's been preheated over medium heat, about 2 minutes per side or until nicely charred. If you have an actual grill, go for it. It's delicious on there. I have a grill pan, so that's what I'm doing, but I just like to plate them up and then hit them with a little bit of that marinade, and they are a fantastic appetizer or side dish or whatever you want them to be. I mean, be real. How fun are these? I love it. I love seeing the grill marks on the mushrooms. You know they're gonna have that wonderful char flavor. And to think that these only took a few minutes to put together, they are delicious. You've got that nice earthy mushroom flavor. They still got a little bit of a bite to them, but then you get the nice saltiness from the soy sauce, a little bit of sweetness from the honey, the char flavor comes through. They're wonderful. Once again, full recipe is in the description, so go check that out if you wanna make these at home. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.